If you are handling daily operations or job scheduling, this is the page you will live on. In this video, I will walk you through how you can assign, track, and manage all field service jobs in one place. So this is the schedule view for this particular date. You can change the date here, and you can see the schedules for each of these particular dates. And you can see there is this tab where you can filter based on all. These are the pending schedules. These are the completed schedules, and this is the button where you can toggle between unconfirmed and confirmed jobs. For example, in Heffl there is a scheduled status and a confirmed status. If you have scheduled a job, then you need to confirm that particular job. So if you enable this toggle, as you can see, this job is unconfirmed, and you can see the stripe here for this particular UI, and you can identify based on the UI and based on this toggle button. And this is one another button where you have to keep an eye on, because these are the pending jobs. So if you click on this one, you can see all the pending jobs till 5. Okay, so a job is considered as pending once it's unconfirmed, or it's unassigned, or you haven't added the time for this particular job. So as a scheduler, what you have to do is you have to complete or schedule each one of these jobs. You will just select this one, and you can confirm the job by changing the status. You can just reassign, or you can change the time from here, and one by one you will just select each one of these schedules, and you will assign it to someone, and you will schedule the job basically. And there is this button where you can copy all the job details. You can print all of these job details here. As you can see, there is details for each one of these schedule with a particular team. You can see the team here, and there are options where you can print based on all teams or different teams here. And then there is this important part where you can switch the view of this particular schedule view. For example, timeline, here you can see on the x-axis it's the time, and on the y-axis is the team, and on the day view it's time on the y-axis, and on the x-axis it's the team members here. And on the monthly view, you can see all the works which you have to do. There are different colors. For the unconfirmed one, it's yellow, and green for the done, and you can see all your jobs basically. And a person wise view where you can see unassigned jobs. This is classified to each one of your field workers, and you can see what are the resource allocation for this particular day. And then there is a symbol view where you can see there is no timeline, just the team on the left side, and you can see all the jobs which is assigned to them. So this is basically how a schedules view look inside Heffl. Now you can switch this to a list part, and you can see there is all the schedules which you have to do today in a list view. You can export this one. You can see whether this is invoiced or not. If it is invoiced, which invoice, you can click and go to the detail page of that invoice. You can change the date here. You can see the total amount of the total works here. And again, you can also filter based on the date of this start date of the schedule, based on a particular client, based on job status, based on the assignees, based on the service. For example, for just pest control, how many schedules you have to do, you can just filter based on that one. So that's the table view of the schedule. And there are other options where you can bulk upload service report for each schedule. That's for another video. And to add a job, you can just click on add job here, and you can select the type, whether it's one-off or contract, and you can add a job there. And you can basically drag and drop these jobs schedules. And once you have done that, the system will ask you whether you need to perform this action or not, because we need to prevent mistakes. And if you want to add something new, you can just drag here and add a new job for that particular time. So that's how you handle schedules in one view inside Heffl.